Ever wondered why hail damage inspection is vital for your home? Well, it's not just about keeping your home looking good. Ignoring hail damage can lead to serious issues like leaks and structural damage, not to mention a decrease in your house's overall value. And let's not forget the financial sting of escalated repair costs and potential insurance claim complications. So, hail damage inspection is not just about aesthetics, it's about preserving your home's integrity and value. The process of hail damage inspection is easier than you might think. It begins with an initial assessment, where you'll want to check for visible signs of damage. Start by giving your roof a once-over. Look for dents, cracks, or missing shingles. These are clear indicators of hail damage. Don't forget to check your gutters and siding as well, as these areas are also prone to damage from hail. Yet while this initial check can give you an idea of the damage, it's crucial to remember that not all hail damage is immediately visible to the untrained eye. This is where a professional inspector comes into play. They're equipped with the right tools and knowledge to spot less obvious damage. Hiring a professional to conduct a thorough inspection is not just about identifying the extent of the damage, it's also about documenting it. An inspector will provide a detailed inspection report, which is a comprehensive record of all the damage caused by the hail. This report can be a lifesaver when it comes to making an insurance claim or getting a repair estimate. In a nutshell, the process of hail damage inspection involves an initial check, hiring a professional for a more thorough inspection, and utilizing their detailed report for any necessary insurance claims or repairs. Remember, a thorough hail damage inspection can save you from future headaches and unexpected costs. Let's recap the key points about hail damage inspection. Hail damage inspections are paramount to keeping your home safe and intact. The risks associated with neglecting hail damage are not to be taken lightly. It can lead to serious issues down the line, such as leaks, structural problems, and even mold growth. On the flip side, a timely inspection can save you from these headaches. The process of hail damage inspection involves an initial assessment followed by a professional inspection and report. This comprehensive evaluation ensures that no stone is left unturned and any potential problems are addressed promptly. But here's the catch. Hail damage inspections are not only for those who've recently been through a hailstorm, they should be part of your regular home maintenance routine. Just like you service your car to keep it running smoothly, your home needs that same care and attention. So don't wait for a storm to strike. Regular hail damage inspections are a smart way to protect your home and investment.